Hi everyone, a few quick updates. I am in Japan, Okinawa for the Potential Theory and Random Walks in Metric Spaces conference. The unexpected part is that there is a typhoon expected to reach Okinawa tomorrow, Wednesday, and there will be extreme conditions until Saturday and even maybe further. So the highest the winds will be about 144 kilometers per hour and waves of 9 meters in height are also expected. Now I'm not scared. I believe that they are confident in their facilities and the overall infrastructure. We will be having our usual talks of the conference happening throughout the week, hopefully without interruptions. We had planned as part of the conference to go on some sightseeing. That was originally planned for Friday, but based on these conditions we switched it to tomorrow, so that on Friday we will hold the talks indoors. Anyway, what's up in the channel? Remember, we started talking about Poincare inequalities, metric and measure theoretic properties of a metric space, from geodesic to being quasi convex. I'm confusing my words. We have planned to define subalef functions, different versions of them on general metric measure spaces, so that then we can define Poincare inequality with more rigor. So far we have only mentioned that Poincare inequality is expected to hold for Lipschitz functions with the local Lipschitz constant playing the role of a gradient for the function in this general setting. I have gone over some basic examples, mostly sets sitting inside the plane, but already we saw interesting cases. For example, why in general we need to dilate the ball on the right hand side of the inequality to be able to have that universal constant. We have mentioned why existence of, or validity of Poincare inequality rather, forces the space to be connected. We will see in future that it even implies more connectivity than that. In general, it forces for every pair of points to exist a lot of rectifiable path between them, and a lot of it is in the sense that their traces, their union of images spans some good volume, proportional to what would be the volume of the ball centered at one of these points with the radius dxy. So apologies for having a longer pause than I was expecting. Last week I was busy with my co-author going over edits for this paper. We had received a referee report about a month ago and we had to get this done. I had to write and grade the complex analysis course that I was teaching. Good news is I got some student reviews from surveys that are run in the systems usually, and mostly they were positive. That's great. I was a bit worried because I wasn't familiar with the Finnish education system and culture, and that was actually the reason I took up this challenge, to just expose myself to something new. Initially I messed up how homework was running and students were confused. I was confused also, but we probably did a good repair there so that it didn't really go too badly. So this week I will also give a 20-minute short talk. I do like to make videos on just how I approach giving talks. There is no universal rule, but I can share my own viewpoints and my own methods of preparing for talks. If you're interested, let me know. Definitely such videos will come at some point on this channel, but for the time being I'm focusing on advanced math. Also, a side note, I met a professor that I used to know from University of Pittsburgh, and he mentioned that he watches some of my videos, and that was very, very positive and humbling to realize that well, people find them interesting and useful. So if that is the case for you also, please also consider subscribing to the channel and sharing it on social media. I do see that a lot of people who do watch the content actually are not subscribers. Let's do it at zero cost to you, so that it helps also the message to reach more people. And also I hate future pleas to for you to subscribe. Okay, that's all for now. Hope to see you in more Pankare videos. Actually, I'm planning to record one just right after I record this video and upload them almost on the same day. Okay, stay safe everyone, and see you.